Great. Congratulations on making this far. I hope that you have been trying all the exercises throughout in the respective sessions. Trying by yourself will be a great way to understand the concepts that we discussed together along with Shiraz and Chinmay. This tutorial was designed to focus more on the practical aspects of a software-defined underwater network. And over the course of these different sessions, we developed a network, simulated it, and worked together in developing and understanding some useful applications. We started with a two-node network. Shiraz talked about transmitting and receiving information among these nodes. And then we looked at a three-node network where a medium access control protocol was needed, and we learned how to develop your own MAC and use it for your network of nodes. Following that, we increased the size of the network further and looked at how the routing, the information over multiple links can be achieved when the network is not fully connected. We wanted to do something more useful with this network that we simulated. So Chinmay showed you how to get the data from a sensor sitting underwater to a network of node that is connected over the internet. A very important and practical aspect that gives you an understanding of where such practical networks are useful. Lastly, we also looked at a useful application of localization using underwater networks. This is again an important practical application that is very useful and enables many applications. If I have to conclude, I would say that it is widely agreed upon that a software-defined, information-centric, mobility-aware architecture is the key to address problems like large delays and low network efficiency in underwater networks. Both peer-to-peer networks and centralized cellular-like networks are of interest. Routing over multi-hop networks is important to enable many applications, as we discussed earlier. In addition, it is critical to bridge the performance gap between network simulations and field experiments, an issue that highlights the need for standardized channel modeling. Underwater Internet of Things, delay tolerant networks, underwater security, and authentication are all important research areas as well. I'm sure many of you having interest in this domain and watching this tutorial might already be working on many of these areas. I wish you all the best for that. With that, we come to an end of this tutorial. I would like to thank you all for of you who have joined us through this tutorial. Please try out the things we discussed by yourself and find the resources at the link provided here. You can email any of us if you have any further queries and would like to discuss about underwater networking in general. I wish you all the best and goodbye.